everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make blueberry muffins. I have already started. I have sifted 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You sift that one too. Now I'm going to whisk 2 eggs until it is smooth. Okay, now we add our wet ingredients. 2 eggs. Okay, and then now half a cup of melted butter. And now we add 1/2 cup of milk. So I'm going to use 3/4 a cup of honey, but if you are using sugar, you can add 1 cup. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix it together.
You mean whisk?
Same thing. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And now we're going to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. And then now you have to add 1 pint of blueberries. Obviously, wash them. You're going to fold them in. Now you bring the dough to these muffin pans. It might be a little bit thick, but it'll fall down eventually.
Utility later.
Put about halfway. You keep on doing that until you fill all of them up. After you fill up all your muffin pan, you put into an oven preheated to 400 degrees. And you set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes.
Now to make whipped cream for our blueberry muffins. First, you're gonna get 1 pint of heavy cream and put it in a chilled mixer. Or if you're doing it by hand, get a chilled bowl. Put it in there. Now we're gonna get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna put honey or sugar into this for taste. Just eyeball it. It depends on how sweet you want it. About 3 tablespoons. Now let's mix on high. Okay, now I'm gonna stop it. And as you can see, it's starting to get solid. At this point, you can go push down the excess with a small spatula so that we can get all of that incorporated. Now we're gonna start it up again for another 5 or so minutes until stiff peaks start to form. It's been about 5 minutes, and now we can see that looks so much more like whipped cream. We can see if we want more sweetener or not. I think I want a little bit more. This is the final product of our whipped cream. Now I'm gonna put it into a bowl and chill it until we need to use it. Now back to the cupcakes.
It has been 20 minutes. How you can tell it's ready is that the blueberries have popped like this. These should be your results. They look yummy. So let them cool for about 5 minutes, then you can take a bite. Okay, now they are cooled and my little bird's gonna taste test it, but first I'm gonna add the whipped cream that my brother made. Okay, here you go.
You can taste the juicy blueberries inside, and the whipped cream tastes really good inside.
How many stars would you give it?
5.
Good, yay! Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Okay, what?